We're back.
You're going to do a camera on me?
Yes, he is. The cameraman, John Jacoby, he's taking pictures of your left side and you slowly depart towards China Lake. And we're going to turn out here to the left and follow the clouds.
Okay.
Turn left as well.
It's all about speed. You notice how I pop up and go down, a little bit of speed change?
Oh, nice. It's right there, right above us.
We're coming up at 800 foot a minute.
Captain Romeo, Whiskey, how you doing? Up ahead. I've got a little smooth on up at 200.
We are at 42,300 feet.
Life's tough.
Traveling at 60.
Back we go up again. Way off in the distance to the left of your nose, can you see the White Mountains?
Yes.
Those are the White Mountains in Nevada, excuse me. The south end of them is about a beam of Mount Whitney. The north end of them is past Mount Whitney, almost to Bishop.
I'm not getting really anything out here.
Do you want to be in video too, or you'd rather not?
No, I'm fine. Now you can see Inyokern much more.
Is it okay if I fly for a minute?
Sure, you got the aircraft.
I got the aircraft.
Drive on. Somewhere around 60, 62 works real nice. You're at 14.5 going up. And this is one of the main reasons I like a two-seater. On a long flight, it's very comfortable to have two people along because you can scratch your butt, you can change pilots, you can adjust an instrument, you can get the oxygen system working, you can relax and take it easy once in a while. Flying's a lot of fun, but it is kind of intense. By the way, as you look over to the right, close in there's a black triangle. That's Inyokern. The white cross 5 miles further out is China Lake. See the one that's close in on the right?
Yeah, Inyokern is right there.
Yeah, I'm pointed at Inyokern right here.
Yeah.
And to the right of it and further away is China Lake.